Okay, this video is going into the payments using EOS, this time from Node. So if we go into my server, this is all testnet. So here I need to say, yeah, it's clear. Make it a bit easier to read it. So we need to put the chain ID. Okay, you can get the chain ID from a curl. And we need to put the key. This is what we originally imported into the wallet, and it's the key in the wallet that matches to the account. It's quite important. So this is the curl, this is the 888, some defaults over here, and then you need to put this authorization, and this is the account. So it's a little bit confusing, the EOS. So the account is different to the wallet, so the key needs to match both, and the wallet, this is the account here, John11. And this is my actual transfer, and it's a promise, so I need this here. This does work, so we're going to just check the balances. So if I go into my history, grep balances, I'm going to just check the balance of John11, which is 59H, and then if I go into Mary, I see that I've got 1241H. Now if I now run this, I'm going to transfer 1H. So if we go into server.js, I'm going to just transfer 1H here. So this should then go to 124.2 and then to 58. So if I now do my just one more thing before we do that, to get the curl, this is what we do here. So it's, I run command 40, oh that's wrong, correct, command 404, I'm getting the chain ID here. Everything here is just testnet. So if I now go into server.js, I've now started that transaction, and we can see various, block information here. But now if I now go back into my balances, so I go back now into Mary one, current basically it's 142. So it's actually made a transfer, and then if I go to John 11, it's gone to 58. Now from here, this is running Node manually. We can quite easily put this into an API. Which means we can then just call this from anywhere, which will be probably the next couple of videos. So just to recap, we put the chain ID from the curl, private key is what we originally created with the create key, and then we imported the HTTP endpoint. So this is just localhost, some standard options there, and the authorization. I had problems with this, so make sure that's, if you are doing this, make sure that's right there, then the actual transfer. So for streaming, which is the objective of one of the key objectives, then we would need to basically loop this. So we would need to write some kind of loop to deal with all these promises to just make multiple transfers. And that concludes that video.